guys. Magsayaw-sayaw ka na dyan, sis. Uy! Gayahin mo yung iba. Wala tayo nitong views. Honeybat. Guys, please subscribe Honeybat, guys. Visit her channel and please subscribe. This is all the Lego challenge. Mga manyako, visit na dito. This is the Lego challenge, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. What is body count? Ako ko balo body count. Hello, Eugene. Why are you laughing? Kumain ka na? Kumain ako. Junji, I love you. Wow, sana all. May I love you si Kapitan. I love you for. I can't take my eyes from you. Oh, really? Punta ka na dito. Hi, Chris! Mami Tisha! Silent. Bakit ingay? Oy! Baliktad yan. Ganyan ako baliktad palagi. Pag sinabi kong maingay, tahimik ako. Pag sinabi kong tahimik ako, maingay ako. That's why I put it in the title that it's silent because I am so ingay here. Okay? So, intindihin mo na lang, Chris. Ganyan talaga yan si Tisha. Henrio is Labon. Hello. Come on, front camera, please. Watching you now. Role play myself with you. Kamatay, oy. Hikog ya. Hi, everyone from Honeybot. Eugene is always laughing. Yes, puntahan kita dyan. O, punta na. Bring milk tea. When bring more. Hello. Hi, Jillian. How are you, my dear? Baby girl. Good evening sa'yo, Ate Tisha. I love you so much. Mua, chup, chup. Punta na, Junji. Huwag mong katanan. Eugene is always laughing here. Hi, Hyro. How to read this one? Hyro, JJ, Hyro. Hello, mahal kita. Sana all. Simal Akar. Hello to you. Grabe naman yung views ng isang babae. Yung babae, sis, yung pinakita ko sa'yo ba? Pagtapos ng live, 1 million views agad. Did you hear me? Putik na yan, naglaway ako dyan sa mais mo ah. Wala kang kanin, yan lang kain mo? Ano yan, egg? Egg na merong mais? Hindi mo pa yata ako narinig, iyaw-yaw ko na iyaw-yaw dito. Darwin! Sotnas, ganda ng tattoo mo, Lods. Uyag. Wanted to touch your tattoo legs now. Shout out watching from Guam. Wow, really? Are you not joking? Are you in Guam now? Okay, shout out dyan, Lods. Ingat palagi dyan. Hi, sweetheart. You know, I like you a lot and how I would like to be there with you. Okay, come here in the Philippines. San ka man ka nagpuyo pagkuan na mo, ha? Buwag. Somewhere in Binondo. Patilaw ako nimo. Agoy, kalami mo tilaw, giray ka? Sige, pag-usapan natin yan. Nadadaan naman yun sa magandang usapan, eh. Pwede, pero depende. Eugene is sad. Why? Why are you sad, Eugene?